What's up, guys? Such a beautiful day today. Make sure you go out there, train your pup. Today's episode number 13. We're doing lining drill plus blind retrieve. Again, lining and the blinds are all the way over here. All right, wish me luck. All right, we're back. Here's the puppy. 4 blinds. First one. Buddy, watch. Go back. Good, back. Here. Here. Good, easy. Here. Dead. Dead. Leave it. Heel. Good, sit. Watch. Buddy, go back. Good, back. There you go, second one. Good, here. Good, here, easy. Easy, here. 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 Dead. Dead. Leave it. Leave it. Heel. Heel. Sit. Good. Watch. Buddy, go back. Good. Back. You missed the third one. Third one is always the hard one. Good. Easy. Here. 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 Good. Good. Dead. 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 Leave it. Heel. Heel. Good. Sit. Sit. Watch. Buddy, go back. Good. Back. Good, here. There you go. Keep training. Keep training, guys. Good job, buddy. Good job.